Meanwhile, Narendra Modi today attacked the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi's idea of India being a beehive, saying that he was shocked that somebody could describe Mother India in this way. At his recent speech at a function organized by the Confederation of Indian Industry in Delhi, Rahul Gandhi, while comparing India and China, said that while China is described as a dragon and India as an elephant, India was in fact a beehive.
मेरे कांग्रेस के मित्रों, आपके लिए यह देश मधुमक्खी का छत्ता हो सकता है। हमारे लिए यह देश हमारी मां है।
We're a beehive. We're a beehive. And it's funny, but think about it. I'll tell you why we're a beehive. Which one is more powerful? An elephant or a beehive?